afternoon and welcome to Sarauniyar Hausa channel TV and the news. Federal government apologized for the violation of social distance order at late Abakari. The federal government has apologized to Nigerians for the violation of the social distances order at late Abakari. The chairman of the Federal Task Force on COVID-19, Boss Mustafa, tendered the apology during the daily briefing on the task force in Abuja Monday evening. Nigerians took social media for blasting the government after the videos and photos from the viral of Abakari showing how the crowd was surfaced online. Many people turned out to the viral and several guidelines put in the place by the government to the coup the spreading of the COVID-19 pandemic were violated. The boss Mustafa said that the regrettable social distances was not observed during the viral. The PDF recognized regrettable unintentionally violation of the principle and protocol that form the core of our message to the Nigerian at the end of the viral for the letter of chief of staff. The principle for the emphasis including the guidance provided all the mass gathering, social distance, personal hygiene and restriction of the movement. Lesson has been learned and appropriate measure has been taken to close all gaps, he said. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe our channel on YouTube.